Bill's most accurate forecast from the WATE 6 on your side storm team.
Well, happy Monday, everyone. Earlier today, we did see a few showers and storms roll through the region, but thankfully going into the night tonight, we are quite dry. Heading on into the rest of the week, though, can't really say the same. Here's a look at the radar. Nothing really on the radar except maybe a shower or two closer to Johnson City, moving on east towards the Carolinas. Now, again, like I said, we're going to be keeping our eye on the rest of the week, and specifically tomorrow. Tomorrow we have a severe threat for weather moving in. We dry out Wednesday, and even more rain arrives heading into the rest of the week. This is the severe threat that I'm talking about. We are in that 2 out of 5 risk for all of our counties here in East Tennessee. So let's look at our timeline forecast just to see how everything's going to play out. We'll see cloud cover building throughout the night tonight, going into tomorrow morning. Rain showers arrive early in the morning, but then we see the main line of rain that I'm talking about coming around noon. Now, this is just the first out of 2 lines to arrive. It will have these stronger storms associated with them, but they will be isolated cells moving through the region. Those move east and clear on out, but heading towards 6 o'clock in the afternoon, this is around 6:30, we see the second line, and this line is a lot stronger compared to what we will be seeing closer to noon tomorrow. This line is what we'll be keeping our eyes on specifically, because look at these winds, these deep reds, those deep yellows. They will be moving quickly. We'll be seeing those damaging winds possible, some possible hail, even heavy downpours. Those all move out quick, and we are dry for the remainder of the night going into Wednesday. But what specific threats can we expect from the system moving through? Well, our hail threats at a low to medium, but our rain and wind damage are our biggest threats. We're at that medium level for both the rain and wind, and a very low threat for tornadoes. Now, this just means we have the possibility of seeing gusts up to 60 miles an hour with the storms moving through, heavy downpours, and maybe even some pea-sized, half-size hail. So just keep that in mind. Also, go ahead and prepare now. Download our free weather app in the App Store for both Android and Apple. If you don't have it already, go ahead, scan this QR code. Again, it's free. You can also talk to your smart speakers, tell them to turn on weather alerts, have the good old-fashioned NOAA weather radio, and as always, tune into WATE 6 on your side. We will always have the updates on your weather that you need to know. Tomorrow's going to be quite a warm day. We'll see temperatures in the lower 80s, but again, seeing a lot of rain, and we continue to see temperatures in the low 80s, upper 70s throughout the week this week. We do drop down by Saturday into the mid 70s, but that's after a lot of rain. We're actually going to be seeing a good amount of rain coming through by Thursday and Friday as well, and another cold front swinging through the region going into this weekend. But again, here's a look at our 7-day forecast. We'll be weather aware going into tomorrow for Good Morning Tennessee, seeing those storms passing through around noon and 6 p.m. in the afternoon. We then dry out going into Wednesday, and then seeing spotty storms yet again going into Thursday and Friday. So just again, make sure you have your rain gear ready to use pretty much throughout this week, and you're remaining weather aware. We'll have more sports and news coming back.